wrong target there, Hannah. I'm going to hold you so you don't go forward, okay? See if it makes a difference. Better, see? Try and keep up in that upright position.
So girls, how do you think you're doing so far?
Well, I'm doing pretty well because I'm getting one in all of the colours. Because the first one we were supposed to get white and I got one white. Then I was supposed to get one. Then we were supposed to get black and I got one black. Then I was supposed to get one blue and then I got one blue and so on.
Another game. This one might take a while. Princess Fiona. Okay. You're going to go on a journey and rescue the Princess Fiona. Okay? So, first of all, you need an arrow and a white to get over the snowy covered mountains. You then need one in the black to get through the black infested cave. We then need blue to get across the blue lagoon. We then need red to get through the fiery volcanoes. Until we get to yellow, where you rescue Princess Fiona. You can't advance until you get one in one of those colours. Get rescuing. If you rescue Princess Fiona first, you get 500 points.
I need to win. I need to win.
You're going to blue, Layla, and you're going to black, Hannah. Slow down, no, it's not a race.
Well, yay!
Finally!
1200 for Layla. 900.
Rate this 10 because I found it really fun and I beat Hannah. I could rate this a 10 out of 10 because it was a really fun experience and it was really fun getting to learn its real burnout.